Hi everyone, and today I'm going to give you a 1-minute review of this Decathlon scooter. Starting with the top of the design, we have handlebars that can fold down, a bell and a back brake. There are two 200mm rubber wheels. In the middle we have a small stand, and on the front we have a suspension. You can quickly and easily fold this scooter in half by pressing down on the front, so if you plan on using this for commuting on the train or the bus, then this will be perfect. After testing this for a couple of months and comparing it to other brands like Osprey, this is a really well made scooter. This scooter will glide on surfaces like concrete, but it will struggle on trails. This scooter weighs 7.4 kilograms, so I would have liked it to be lighter. It's also £160 as of July 2021, so it is quite expensive. Overall, this is still a really excellent scooter, and I'm going to give it 5 out of 5, so I would thoroughly recommend it.